this couple. They weren't married, they were dating, and she had a beach house and he would come visit her. Their relationship went pretty well for the first month, and then things started going awry. They had some possessions that were at his house, possessions that were her house. This is like a 3-month relationship. It wasn't a long relationship. So she mentioned to him that she was going to file a restraining order. So he ran to the courthouse to file one against her. It was a fraudulent one. It wasn't made a fact, but he wanted to get there first. That's what happens. The first one to get to the courthouse gets the hearing. So we had to go defend her, and that one was thrown out. And then she had to file one between two people dating. It can be anybody. It can be your neighbor. It can be a married person where you see restraining orders. And it's a he said, she said kind of thing, unless there are actual criminal charges out there where one actually physically assaulted the other. But if they're not defended, then you end up with an order by the court that can put you back in jail if that person who is filing a false complaint, they're accusing you of all these things you did not do. If it gets put in place, that is, you don't fight it or you consent to it, or however it gets put in place, it's there for a year. They can renew it if they want to. And if they were not truthful when they filed the complaint, all they have to do is pick up the phone and say he violated, right? If it says I can't come 100 feet, within the house, well, guess what? She can call up, or he can call up and say, he's within the 100 feet, come pick him up. And then he gets arrested, or she gets arrested in the domestic violence type, or the domestic restraining orders. So that's problematic, right? If you've got someone that's not going to be truthful to begin with and files a complaint under oath, what's going to stop them from being not truthful and saying you violated it when you didn't? So that runs the gamut there. You've got all kinds of issues if you let that progress to that level where it's put in place without fighting.